Hey guys, quick video on this Seiko titanium today. This one's currently up for sale. It has the luminous hands, really nice dial. Whoops, I had it upside down, better turn around. Really nice dial. Here's the seconds, here's an alarm setting, and there's your minutes. It also has the chronograph feature. If you look at the red dial, or the red hand, that's the actual chronograph. So we could start that with this button up here, and we can start timing. And we can also stop it with that button there, and then reset it, and it will go around. So cool little feature. Some things about this that's, I would say, flawed is this watch is from 1997. First of all, I looked it up online. It's about 1997, so been around for a while. If you have a birth year watch, this may be the watch for you. It also has the date on there. I did forget to mention that, but let me get the movement number on this quickly, and I'll get my loop out for that. The movement number on this is 70327D00. I'll take a picture of the back of that just in case you guys didn't catch that. So, and put it up close so you can see it for yourself, because you're not going to be able to see that from this distance, I don't believe. But this is it's a screw-on back, not a snapback. So you know, a little higher quality there. It has the dual crowns, one crown down by the 4 o'clock. The non-numeric hour markings, you can tell it's a little flashy. It's got the gold tint into the inside of the dial in here, and then the white on the outside for the chrono feature, basically, tachometer feature, whatever you want to call it. It's got some bling to it. So let's get some measurements on it real quick. The case size, it's not a big case by any means. The case size is about 40 millimeters. Let's go with the thickness. The thickness, that's about 10¼ millimeters, and then we're going to go lug to lug. We've got about 40 millimeters there too, and then the width of this bracelet, that's going to be about 18. It does taper a bit. So there's some quick details on it. I'm not a big fan of the titanium watches. I've said that on this channel before, but this one has some nice branding on it. But yeah, the two-tone is very nice. We've got the titanium and the gold. Not really my style, so I'll probably send this one on out the door. Let's get some shots of the wrist, and we'll go from there. Here's a good close-up of this watch. Again, it is absolutely beautiful. A little too flashy for me probably, but I do like this watch. I do. I think I will sell it though. I mean, it looks great. I have about a 7¼ between a 7¼ and 7½ inch wrist. So fit is good. Doesn't look too big on my wrist. Doesn't look too small. Again, about a 40 millimeter case, without any of those protrusions. But yeah, that's how we have it. Let me know what you guys think about this. I know this seems to be fairly sought after, but if this one doesn't sell, by the end of this year, I may gift this to somebody I know as a birth year watch. We'll see. We'll see what happens. And there you guys go. There's the close-up on that dial. You can see the reds, the golds, silvers. Beautiful, beautiful watch. Nice two-tone titanium. Okay, so there you have it, guys. That's about all we have for this watch. Just a quick share video on this one. I think I'll throw in, as usual, some shots of it at the end so you get a better look of it close up in macro mode. But yeah, two-tone band. As I'm looking at this, I can see one thing they did is they didn't carry down the two-tone to the back of the bracelet, which, I don't know, things like that just, it kind of scream cheap to me, and I think that frustrates me a little bit. It's like, if you're going to hit those 5 links there, why not just take it down a few more, right? And I don't know, just thinking out loud about some of the things that grate on me a little bit about some of these watches. And again, I was always a fan of the Seikos from the 1980s.